Hey, welcome back. So, this is one of the most special video for me. You might have recognized this key. So we have got the BE6 in the Rane's family, and here it is. BE6 is home, boys and girls. So yes, B6 is home. And when, how, where, why, everything. Starting with the key. Here is the key, here's the key. And yes, now when did I get it? So the B6 came home on 19th of January 2026 on my mama's birthday. So this was a gift to my mama from everyone. Okay, so now let's talk about the details about the vehicle. Now, which variant is this, which color, what pack, what is the battery, each and everything we'll discuss. So before that, I will give a quick walk around of the car. So this is how the front and the side looks. The doors have been popped out because the car is unlocked. This is how the car looks from the rear. Yes, the sequential indicators are in action. अभी हम लोग main बात करेंगे. This is the pack 3, the top variant. Okay, the top variant, which is with the 79 kilowatt hour battery and which gives a claimed range, ARAI range of 683 kilometers, which in real life will reflect 500 plus kilometers easily. So next thing, which color is this car? देखने में तो white लग रही है, correct? But this is not an ordinary white. This is Goa's one and only satin white. Yes, you all heard me right. Goa's one and only satin white, or you can say the matte white color. जो गोवा में पूरे गोवा में एक ही है. Okay, in the state of Goa, which is mine. Yup. It belongs to Rane's, Goa's one and only satin white color. Okay, apart from this, rest all details I will tell you. This is a 79 kilowatt hour battery, so range I told you. Now talking about the power figures, this has a power output of 283 horsepower, and the torque is massive 380 newton meters of torque. So if I come to the side, the wheels are 19 inches. Okay, in the Batman edition we get 20 inches wheel, but that was an optional also for me if in the accessories, so I could opt for them. Next thing from this side, so B6 is a coupe SUV. बोलने में तो coupe है, but देखने में तो it is very tall. So it is almost of my height. Next thing which I'll show you is a very beautiful sunset which is happening behind. So this is a very pretty sunset which I had come for the shoot in the industrial area. You can look around. So इसमें सब कुछ आता है. Everything. You get ADAS level 2 with number of features. You get power tailgate. You get heads up display, which is the AR or the augmented reality. वो है. Then the sky roof, which is in action right now. Yes, if it is visible to you all, that one. Then power tailgate. Let's open. I just do this. Probably it won't happen because the car is on, so I'll just show you like this. So the power tailgate is in action. Now let's close it with the help of the key. So I'll hold this button. I doubt it will happen because the car is on. So let's close it like this from here. Now, the next or the most quirkiest feature of the B6 is that you can park with the key. These are the front and back buttons for that, and you can remotely do that with the mobile application as well. Here is where you charge the B6. So here it shows you the charging indication. Currently the car is at 58% of battery, and I have driven almost 800 kilometers plus. Now let's go inside and I'll show you a few of the things like the HUD and everything. Let's close this. So I'll just turn off the lights. So what you see over here is the HUD. Okay, this is what is the bare minimum detail shown on the HUD. Now apart from this, it will show you the ADAS details, your blind spot, which shows over here as well as over here. The one thing which I like here is that it shows here as vertical bars, so I don't have to look on the mirrors. Then the main quirkiest thing is that it shows you in 3D, like how हम लोग ने NFS में खेला था ना, how it is to show like that. It shows you the map. Now inside is the quirkiest, the rectangular steering wheel. I'll just turn on the lamps. Okay, so this is the sky roof. So this video will be a quick video. In detail video we'll do it in the next one. So both screens are 10.25 inch screens, which is very quick. Both are running Snapdragon chipset. Below we have got wireless chargers, cup holder, and this is the gear lever, and this whole cabin is cockpit focused, like driver focused. As you can see, the ambient lighting running across. Then here is the place to keep the key, like this is magnetic. So this is just, I was moving the car a bit. This is a 360-degree camera. Coming on top, we have auto dimming IRVM. So here there are few controls like door open lights, then electric tailgate, hazards, auto park, and this is a 360-degree camera. It shows you airbag information. This is to open or close the sunshade for the sunroof. We'll keep it open for now. And this has Harman Kardon speakers, 16 speaker system over here. Here is one of the tweeters. Then coming to the center console, there's some storage space over here which is cooled, and the driver side seat is powered, passenger side is not. So for the driver seat we do get the welcome and exit feature, so that the seat moves back completely, so that exiting and entering is quite easy. Apart from this, the steering is nice. This is a glossy piece. Now all these buttons are touch capacitive, so there's a bit getting used to that, because whenever I press something, sometimes the horn gets pressed, or when I'm pressing the horn, the buttons gets pressed. So more on this in another video. Now next thing which I'll show you is this projection. So when I exit the car or enter the car, it will do such kinds of animation. Okay, but you might think it is coming from underneath of the ORVMs, but it is not. It comes from under the car. Okay, and we can customize it into 2 patterns. Yes. So overall, till now, the reactions which I am getting with the B6 is just fabulous. The car is completely a spaceship. The way it looks, the way it drives, the way it feels, each and everything is a spaceship. Trust me with that. Whoever owns the B6, they know how they feel. Correct? Like how the car drives. It is, oh my god, it is really just flabbergasted. There's no other term for the car. Now I would require one suggestion from you guys, that I need to keep a name for my car. Okay, I have names for my other vehicles as well. Now you all can comment down in the comment section below about name suggestions, and so with the names, which name gets highest likes, okay, we'll go ahead with that name. So drop your suggestions in the comment section below. Yes, so this was a quick video about the all new entry of a all new car in our Rane's family. So more videos are coming on this beast, so stay tuned. Okay, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and like this video. Hopefully it was informative and something entertaining for you all. Till then, see you, bye bye, drive safe, see you in the next one.